Yeah, I parked in the road. What the fuck? Oh. Hello. Hello. He's got Cheeseburger! Hey yo, why he eat that Cheeseburger like he is face first in like the wettest pussy this side of the Mississippi? How's that burger? Where are you headed? Oh, these are options. This little piece of heaven. This place is pretty much my weekend spot. You new around here? I'm a new staffer at the Ironbark State Park. You must have heard the news then. What news? Well, a few weeks ago, 3 kids went missing in the park. It's been all over the news. What happened to them? No one knows. The official report says they got lost, but a lot of people around here think something else happened. Something else? There's a rumor going around that a creature got them. A creature? Yeah, you know, like Bigfoot or a goat man. People say there's something like that living in that forest. Do you believe it? A lot of hikers and campers go missing in that forest. Some of them come back with stories you would not believe. Some of them never come back. Alright, thanks. Thanks, guy. That's what you imagine my dad sounded? My dad has a very monotonous, deep voice. Come demon vampire. Why is that so sloppy? So what do you mean you don't eat your cheeseburgers like that? You don't just like take a bite of your cheeseburger and like fucking move your head back and forth like you're cheeseburger. Do not make sucking noises while your tooth holes are here. She just walked through the door! She didn't even open it! Chat, what is happening? Welcome to the Twin River Diner. How are you doing today? Good. How about you? Feel free to take any seat you like and I'll be right with you. Alright, thank you. Oh, fuck me! Can I dig through the trash? No? Unlucky. Oh, I can't even open the door. It's a cutscene door. What? Rail, my guy! You let me open doors in the last game. Why did we lose door opening ability? What are you, fucking Payday 2? I can't read the map. Oh, I can get real fucking in here though. This man looks up at you like he's getting the best sloppy toppy in his life. Hits you with the, please leave me alone. This is the goddamn best food this man's ever eaten. He's over here like that guy that just got out of prison. He was like double fisting cheeseburgers. He's just like, yeah, that's good. Oh, that's some good meat. Oh, it's been so long since I've had meat this sweet slide down my throat. Holy shit. Oh. Is there the newest Maury song on the jukebox? Can I play that? you gotta read it like it's in a BL? What do you mean? A broken ice cream machine? Like a McDonald's? Hot food. Does a Cheeseburger, a grilled cheese sandwich, yeah, help? Me, small? I can't read the third menu item. Fries, chicken nugget, onion ring, and for drink we have. For drink we have soda, coffee, frap. I wanna say that says Frappuccino, but that's like a TM name. They can't use that. And then a Stewie Mui slush. What's a Stewie Mui? Thank you for sending me your cutest waitress. Just mixed titty milk with actual milk? Not bad. Not great. Don't recommend. It's a Dunkachino. What is this? This guy is fucking holy shit. You good? He's hammering back his coffee like he's an Alcoholics Anonymous and he found his coping mechanism. You look a little lost. I'm just passing through. So where are you headed? Starting a new job at the state park. Ah, that's great. I didn't know these jobs still existed. What do you do? I work in finance. I'm a financial analyst for a big firm downtown. Do you like your job? Yeah, it's challenging, but I enjoy it. It keeps me busy, that's for sure. I don't think I could handle a job like that. I'm not sociopathic enough. It's not for everyone, that's for sure, but I find it very fulfilling. Fulfilling like that fucking coffee. Hot damn. It's Christian! Chat, wise! Chat! Christian has dirty jacket and a shovel, and there were kids that went missing in the forest. Is Christian the killer? Oh no. Oh god. How's the food? He just stared at me. Pretty long day at work, huh? He just stared at me. I'm not gonna ask if I can join him yet. I still have other people to talk to. Like this muscle man. Long day driving, huh? Where are you headed? I'm heading up north to make a delivery. What about you? I'm a staffer at Ironbark State Park. So is it true? Whatever they say happened to those kids the other day? What? I need to go. Okay. Alright, let's, where are you headed? Alright, I'm a staffer. So is it true? Possibly. I can't even imagine what the parents must be going through. It's every parent's worst nightmare. Okay. Lady! There's nobody there, lady! Does that say huge swig? Hold on. Hold on. I can't. Fucking! This fucking woman! Let me read the cup! I think it says huge swig, but she won't let me read it. This bitch. Oh. It does say huge swig, chat. We solved the mystery. Please take a seat. I'll be right with you. Isn't it pretty quiet in here? Yeah, it's been like that for a while now. Ever since the highway bypassed this town, things have been pretty slow. That's a shame. It seems like a nice place. It used to be. But times change, I suppose. Could you point me to the restroom? It's right over there. Thank you. This game better have PP mechanics, or I'll be very disappointed. Wait, can I go back here? No. I can't steal from them either. Okay. Do you mind if I join you? He just stared at me. Okay. Alright. Restroom. Really? I don't get to pee-pee and I don't get to wash my hands? It just automatically does it in a black screen. Oh! Wee-wee! Wee-wee! Why is my pee black, chat? Is that normal? Do park rangers and long distance truck drivers typically have black pee-pee? Your aim is shit! I'm gonna dry my hands before I wash them to make sure all of the pee is crusted over. We've been the monster the whole time. And now I'm not going to dry my hands so that I can get wet hand on over everything. Doesn't look like there's anyone new here. She stopped carrying the tray of food? Nope, she's still carrying it. Is that it? Do I not get to order food? Do I not get a Cheeseburger? Please take a seat. I'll be right with you. Yeah, it's been like that. I've already read all of this shit. I said in booth! Good evening. I'm Barbara. Are you ready to order? Yes. So what can I get for you today? Do we want Cheeseburger with fry, meatball sub with chicken nugget, meatball sub with chicken nugget, grilled cheese sandwich with onion ring. Oh man, the bar. Wait a minute, hold on, chat. He has Chris Chan in the booth in front of me, and the fucking waitress who's kind of hot is the bar bussy. What did the dev mean by this? Who gets meatball sub and numgies? Let me tell you, baby, when you can't decide between wanting the chimkins and the red meat, you appreciate when a place will give you a Cheeseburger and chimkin nuggets, or some kind of red meat with chimkin nuggets at the same time. Lord, praise! It's when you can't make up your mind. Nuggets as a side, I'll take it. Yeah, it's better than fucking French fry. Oh god, I feel like I should do the Cheeseburger because the guy outside was fucking going to town on it, but like, I gotta go with the meatball sub and chimkin nuggies. Well, would you like anything to drink? Strawberry slushy! Perfect. Anything else? How to please a woman, give her 2 meats for her meal. DP your woman at the dinner table, not in bed. You can't have slush, think of your teeth holes. That'll be all, thank you. Great, I'll bring the food out as it's done. Just let me know if you need anything else. Sounds good, appreciate it. That man's got a briefcase. I'm taking in the scenery. Protein with a side of protein. Would you like some extra protein on that meal? I don't know what I'm supposed to do, chat. Ah! They even have desk ketchup. Chat, all restaurants have table ketchup. They don't keep it in the fridge. Oh, she's already back with my food. God damn, that is some service! Huh. Look, they give me 3 dippy sauces. Okay, I'm gonna eat the numgin. Consuming. Those are really satisfying sounding nuggies. I figured it'd be a while before I had a meal like this again. I didn't use any of the sauces on the nuggies! Immersion broken, 0 out of 10 video game. Alright, we're gonna meatball sub. So, did you end up going? How was it? I'm here, still eating! This is so good. Yeah! Help! I'm gonna slurp this slush. That one didn't really have much noise. I'm kind of dissatisfied. I too come at the end of my slushies. Told you! Okay, Kayla. Chris Chan is missing! He evaporated. Did you enjoy the food? Yeah, it was great. Would you like to have anything else, or should I get the check, please? Like, you see, this, if I was going camping, right, and I really enjoyed the food here, I'd be like, can I actually have, like, another meal, but wrapped up to go, so I can bring it with me and put it in my little fridge in my camper? I'd really appreciate that. You gotta think smart, chat! Okay, I'll be right back. Like, yo, lady! Do I use my telekinesis to port the food from my plate into my bowels? Yes. I want the recipe, you whore! You know, I've actually done that before. When I moved down south, my favorite place for chimkin tendies back up home, I actually emailed them and asked if they could give their recipe for their chimkin tendies. Here's the check. Your total is $7.60. Oh, pay 7.6 and 50%? What the fuck, bitch? 50%? Does this have any effect on what's happening in the game? Like, if I pay her 50%, does she come and find me before I get turned into like a cannibal party? That is cheap, holy shit! You get a BJ? You think so? You think if I give her 50%, she's gonna give me a blowjob? No, but you'll feel like a jerk if you stiff her. We'll try the 50% and see what happens, chat. Oh, I got an achievement for being generous. Thank you for the generous tip. Yeah! Oh, touching the food just makes me sit down again. The blowjob achievement. He took his shovel with him. Took a shovel with him. Do any of you guys say different shit? Long day driving, huh? Where are you headed? I'm heading up north to make a delivery. What about you? Just down the road. He doesn't like me being shady. I can't steal this man's purse. You look a little lost. I'm just tired. This place has some great coffee if you're in the mood for one. As you can see, I usually go for vanilla latte. So where are you headed? That's none of your business. I guess not. Please leave me alone. Alright, time to see if I go get shanked by Chris Chan. How is gas $10 but food is $7? Well, you see, we haven't been able to invade a Middle Eastern country for their food yet. Up at 24 hours, tasty food. What about weird bugger man back here? Oh my god. I am still amazed that they did this. Oh god, not him again! Alright, well I guess I just get back in my fucking camper. Why is this a noise? Beep beep! Wah.